In this video, I will show you how to sell digital products on Ecwid. So to get started, I'll leave a link to Ecwid down in the description that will take you to this page. From here, simply go and click on Get Started for free. Now, I already have an account, so for me, it's just going to sign me in. If you don't have an account yet, just go and create your free account. Now, from this checklist right here, just go and click on Add Your Product or Services. Now, they already have some example products here, but we are just going to click on Delete All Sample Products first, because I don't want those. Now, here, just click Add New Product, and now here you can go and add everything about your digital product. So for the stock right here, you want to make sure it's set to infinite stock if you don't want to sell a certain amount but just infinite. And then for the price, just set it right here. So I'll just set up a digital product right now for 25 euros, and I'll upload some images. For example, I'll do these two thumbnails. And then here, enter the name for your digital product, enter a stock keeping unit. I'll just name this one 1, then the weight is 0, and here where it says require shipping or pickup, just gonna untick that box so then the weight doesn't matter. Then here write a description of the digital product, so what is included, make it look nice, add some bullet points and stuff like that. And you can also add images and videos and links into this, even a table if you want. So just go and add what this digital product will get the customer. So for example, something like this is about chess openings, and then you have a nice description right here outlining what you will learn in this specific ebook. Now you can also choose to add a product ribbon and subtitle. I'm just going to skip that. Then here under stock control, you can just go and leave this open since we want to do the infinite stock. Then under pricing options, you can set a compare to price, but you will see if you want to do this, you will need to get one of the more premium plans. So I'm just going to skip that. But now here, go to attributes, and this is probably not necessary, but you can fill it in if you want. Then you have the options right here, so product options and variations. If there are several different options, then you can add those right here. And the important part here is to go ahead and add some files. So that means that you are selling digital goods. Now you will see this is available with the venture plan or higher. So if you click upgrade to sell digital product, you can see it starts at 21 euros per month. So you will need to get this plan right here. You can also do monthly billing for 25 euros per month. But if you want to sell the digital products, then you will need to get this plan. Unfortunately, you cannot do this completely for free, but you can just go and set it up for free, and then once you're ready, you can go and upgrade in order to actually start selling this product. Now to find your product, go to catalog, then here click products, and just go and open it up. Then here for the shipping and pickup, you want that disabled. Then you can set up taxes, so the applied rate is the standard rate of 21%. You can even do SEO from right here, which is really important if you want to be found through Google search. Then you can set up any related products if you have more. And you can add a buy now button onto Instagram or Facebook or wherever you would like to promote it. So just to your existing website, you can just add a buy now button by clicking on embed product. But you want to make sure that you do upgrade to the venture plan in order to have the ability to actually deliver the ebook. So then you have set up this product, and now you can go and click on view store in the top right to see what your store looks like right now. Now I haven't done any customization yet, but you will see if I go to my products. So I've just chosen a random template right here, but you will see that now on the website you will have the ebook here. Now you want to go and make sure that this looks nice, of course, but you can see the title is right there, and if you click on it, you will then also see the description, and people can actually go and buy it. And if you have set up the digital files, then those files will be automatically delivered to the person purchasing it. Now if you don't want to pay anything, then what you can also do is here in my sales, you will see your orders, and then you want to make sure that customers need to add their email, and they can also manually deliver it into their email when you are still selling it for free. So that is also a possibility, but I don't recommend it. It takes a lot of time, and people will need to wait sometimes for hours if you're not available to actually get their ebook, which is not really a good experience. So therefore I would just recommend to get the venture plan to have that all automated. Again, if you want to get started with Ecwid completely for free, you can go and click on the link down in the description. So now you know how to sell digital products on Ecwid. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.